Alright, what's up everybody? So this is part 2 on the Amazon unboxing video with my new Mark controller. Just finally got it, and it's only around about $221, but I got around way earlier than that. So yeah, let's open this one. So yeah, I did end up breaking up this like an hour or two ago. So far it looks pretty good. It actually got good packaging. Alright, I don't know if it's gonna be a part 3 or it's gonna be a part 3 now. It's gonna be a part 3 with this now because I only got one of the 2 vinyls I just got in with the other 2 things. But yeah, mostly this stuff is used anyway, so it might be shipped differently. So I'm guessing there will be a part 3 for this video for what this one purchased off Amazon. So I'm going to unwrap this and see what I got with vinyls. So yeah, this one's got, yeah, this one got packaged pretty nice with the bubble wrap. So I just got Beach Boys Round Great Concert. So now I got 2 of them as well. I grab so I can play them the old school way when you on traditional turntables. Yeah, it's like no inner sleeve with this one. So far it looks pretty good. No scratches on it. So yeah, this is gonna be like part 2 on this Amazon package purchase I bought with all the stuff together with the controller. So far I'm still in the middle of trying to download the drivers for it and whatnot. Hopefully I'll get that done pretty soon today, hopefully. And start using this to do mixes with as well. Which I'm pretty damn satisfied with that controller. The way it looks, feels so far. I mean, I couldn't be any happier buying it. So yeah, I guess there will be a part 3 with this video. It's gonna be like a little bit longer than I thought. So I got like 2 more things out of this purchase that I haven't got yet. So yeah, I'll see you guys later, and hopefully y'all enjoy this video. So yeah, we'll be playing that record on this turntable for fun right here. So yeah, I got probably 2 more things to get that I haven't gotten yet, and I'll probably make a 3rd video with that. But yeah, not to waste your time, I'm going to end this video, and hope y'all have a great day. Enjoy this video. Peace out, everybody.